You can produce prototype of a mechanical component with CNC milling machine, casting or injection molding. But here's the thing, there are two major issues. One, how do you shorten the long turnaround time that normally takes weeks? Two, how do you lower down the high overall machining cost? I know you want to turn your design idea into physical prototype output soon as possible so that manufacturing operation can proceed as planned while keeping a low prototyping cost. Good news, you can have all this and be amazed of how Obsnap 3D printer can do for you and more. I'm Sean Phon, CEO of Obsnap Group, a high-tech corporation that specializes in helping the industry to comply ISO and government standard with our professional calibration and consultation services. And we're also passionate to support the industry to achieve higher productivity by providing state-of-the-art equipment for metrology, testing, productions, and software solutions. Right now, we are introducing a new industrial grade Obsnap 3D printer that can significantly speed up the time from design to production of the prototype, where it takes only hours instead of weeks. And it also eliminates the needs for experienced technicians and expensive machinery to handle the productions. With Obsnap 3D printing, it brings the prototyping cost down to a lot cheaper, from hundreds to just a few dollars. With Obsnap 3D printing, you can personalize, customize, and tweak a part to uniquely fit to your customer needs, and it's also allowed for small-scale productions. Let's take a look at how we have helped our clients from various industries from healthcare, food, manufacturing, R&D, construction, architecture, and engineering. If you are looking to invest into one of Obsnap 3D printer, or wish to outsource your small-scale productions, or simply just wanted to improve your knowledge and skill to use a 3D printer, or simply to better your designing skill with a CAD software, please click here. We'll be glad to assist you. Until then, let's engineer quality and certainty.